wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Syahla Najwa Kaamilah from class 12 Science 7 at SMAN 1 Subang. Here, I want to make it corndog snack. Surely you are curious about how to make it. Watch until the end.
The materials that need to be prepared are 20 tablespoons or 1 1/2 cups or 200 grams of high protein wheat flour. Here I use Cakra Kembar. 2 tablespoons granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon instant yeast, 15 tablespoons or 160 ml warm water, mozzarella and sausage to taste, enough bread flour. First, make the dough. Put 160 milliliters of warm water in a bowl, 1 teaspoon instant yeast, and 2 tablespoons granulated sugar, then stir well. Then mix 200 grams of high protein wheat flour with 1 teaspoon salt, then stir until mixed. Then, add the flour to the yeast solution. Then still intermix, and no part of the flour is still dry. After mixing like this, cover with a cloth and let sit for 45 minutes or until it doubles in size. While waiting for the dough to rise, prepare the satay filling using sausage and mozzarella cheese. Then skewer the mozzarella cheese and sausage according to your taste. Now, the dough of double in size. Start wrapping the sausage and mozzarella in the mixture like this. Before wrapping it with dough, make sure the mozzarella and sausage is dried so it sticks more easily. Make sure all parts are completely covered with batter so that they do not leak when fried later. Set it up using a spoon. Next, coat all parts with bread flour. This dough can make large corndog. Then fry in hot oil until golden yellow. Do not forget to turn it back and forth until it's even across the surface. Once the color changes, leave and dry. Mozzarella sausage corndog are ready. You can add sauce and mayonnaise according to taste. The outside is really crispy. Highly recommended for a snack